Hi, it's like 3 a.m. in the night and we are going to Mumbai. Waiting for cab right now, you can clearly see the sleep in my eyes. The cab was lit, bro. I loved the vibe so much. Reached airport, saw some beautiful plants. Have you ever had KFC at 4 in the morning? Boarding the flight. Yay, we reached Mumbai. But what is that? As soon as we came out of the airport indoor, I smelled a really bad odor. I thought maybe something was around the airport, that's why. Then we took an auto and I felt like my nose was becoming sticky and I was not able to breathe properly. The air was so dense and smelly. We called hotel but it was not ready yet. So we went to Juhu Beach. Some sort of screening was happening and there were a lot of people wearing similar clothes arranging a program or something. We had some tea. Funny thing, we ordered one tea from a little guy and he gave one tea and one coffee. We said we didn't say coffee. He said, well, it's poured, so just pay up. I guess that's Mumbai. Juhu was not much fun and we were so sleepy we decided to go to the hotel and just wait there. Around 9:30 we reached hotel. They gave us the room by 10. The hotel was quite a old one. Literally 3 people hardly fit in the lift. I saw the view from window of the old buildings and this is in Andheri. I don't know, it felt quite sad. And this is the hotel room. We were absolutely very hungry and we ordered breakfast, aloo paratha and tea, which was the best paratha I ever had. Then we slept. In the evening, we went out to see some rentable houses. Because the main purpose of this trip was to figure out if I can shift to Mumbai because I had a job offer. But we were utterly disappointed. The building conditions were just too bad and rent was insane. So we went to India Gate. All the way I was just shocked and checking out the buildings in Mumbai. But I did see some beautiful old buildings converted to commercial ones as well. This gave a really rich vibe. We reached India Gate, saw the Taj Hotel. I can't help but remember about 26/11. That is my birthday and since the Taj attack happened, every birthday this news always comes up in the channels. Can you see the crowd? Gosh. Ah, see this. There is Taj and just beside it there is an old building. It's like heaven and hell all together in Mumbai. I'm still not able to decide if I like this city or not. Then we went to Marine Drive. It was raining a little bit and it was beautiful. On our way back to hotel, the driver told a lot of stories. How he has been living in Mumbai for 3 decades. Even he got pickpocketed multiple times. How he bought a land on government property. How he has rented out properties. How no one in Mumbai goes to sleep empty belly. How buildings, bridges collapse just like that. How Mumbai floods so often and so dangerously. How cows, dogs and everything died during the last heavy flood and so much more. He was really a great person. He told us most of the things we learned about Mumbai. Then we went to hotel and ate and slept. Next morning we had paratha and tea again and then we went to see some houses which we had hunted online. We went there and met an agent and these were the apartments we saw. I could never choose this. Again disappointed, we went and ate at Social. We went to hotel again, and the next day I went to the office where I was supposed to join and told them it's not happening. It was disappointing, but I feel I made the right choice. If I can't live well, there is no point of making money and building career. This is overall the 3 days we spent in Mumbai. See you in the next vlog. Bye.